Hi guys, welcome to Workshop Wednesday. I feel like a superhero warrior with this that I'm carrying, but what this actually is not a staff of any sort. It is a marker. I know that I've talked to you guys in past videos about markers, and what they are basically is a blueprint for a series of patterns that are going to be cut out. So once you have a design set and you make the pattern, then they size it up: small, medium, large, extra large, 2X, so on and so forth. And then they organize all of those individual pieces like a puzzle onto a very wide piece of paper. Like, I don't even think you guys can see this full length, but it's about, I want to say, 72 inches or so. And when you go into a factory or a cutting room, they have a massive pattern cutting table. I want to say they're like 12 feet long, right? Sometimes they take up the entire factory floor. And what they'll do in that room is they have the fabric on these massive rollers, and they're gonna roll the fabric out till they reach the other wall, and then they'll smooth it out, and then they'll roll it back, and they'll smooth it out, and then they'll roll it back. And let's say they've rolled out the black fabric. Now they want to do the star print. They'll do that next. Now they're gonna do the red. They'll do that next. And then once they have enough ply that's necessary for the amount of swimsuits or whatever it is they're cutting, then they're all set with the fabric. The next thing they're going to do is they're going to take out their marker. This one just got delivered to the house. And this massive roll, which I'm sure will become some type of toy later today. And so this was delivered. If you look on it here, it has the brand name Mirame. It has plot out, which means they put all the sizing on there, and then it says small, medium, large, extra large, which is the sizes that we're cutting, as well as the style number. And I work with a place in Manhattan that sizes these out for me. So all the fabric's out. Now we're going to unroll these pattern pieces over the fabric, right? And so as you unroll it, you can see different pieces. It's upside down right now, so I apologize, but this is the bra, right? And it's just part of the bra. So there's going to be two layers because in between they're going to put some cups. This is the bottom part of the bra, and then this is the inner layer of the bra. And then as you continue unrolling, there's other pieces and other pieces. So this becomes their blueprint, and they space it out, or they kind of condense it as close as possible so there's not as much fabric wastage, right? And so this just makes everything more efficient, faster, and produces less waste. All right, thank you guys for watching my little tutorial about a marker. This is for our Ashley Mayo, which I love so much. It's available in coral and in black, and then we're going to be coming up with the print for 2021. So visit the shop. Thanks for watching. I love talking to you guys about the design process, about the production process, manufacturing. I could go on for days. So if you enjoy it, please check in every Wednesday for Workshop Wednesdays. Thanks so much. Bye.